Hey everyone, Mike Hagon at the Hagon Jones Homestead, out in the greenhouse on this sunny February day. Loving it, 25 degrees here in the greenhouse. I got some trees that I'd collected the cones for the Norway spruce in the fall, and they have sprouted inside the shop where it's a little bit warmer. So I'm going to try transplanting them into larger tree pots. Now I didn't want to go buy 500 tree pots, I really only want a couple trees. So I thought I'd try my hand at making cardboard tree pots. So these are recycled Amazon boxes, and I'm just going to show you a quick video here of how I make them. So basically what I'm doing is taking the flaps off the cardboard Amazon boxes. I've made a couple different sizes here depending on the flap size. But majority I want are these. They're roughly just under 2-inch diameter opening, or 2-inch wide opening, and they're 6 inches tall. So to get that, I worked it out by absolute fluke that one flap that's just under 16 inches needs, I think it's 7 3/4. So roughly 7 3/4. And then what I'm doing, and you can see here, is I'm going every 2 ribs and just breaking it in. There we go. And then I will fold it around. You can see now we've got our nice little tree pot, and I've got a stapler. I'm just putting a couple staples through. I'm doing one at the bottom and then a couple in the middle, just in case they get moist and decide to split. And there we go, tree pots. Thanks for taking the time to watch the Hagon Jones Homestead video on making cardboard pots. Please like this video, subscribe below to the channel. Tons of videos coming up. I will be posting a video soon along with the Norway spruce planting that I did, just to follow up on transplanting the seeds into these cardboard pots. Once again, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.